Alright everybody, welcome back with another video. So in the last couple videos, I've already shown you how to install this web hosting network. In this video, I will show you how to add these templates right here to your network so that you can offer it to your customer. In order to add new site template, head to your dashboard and click on Manage Site. Here, you will see all of the network subsites. As you can see, these could be your customer website. And these are site template. We can set these available on the front end. Let's create a new site template from scratch by click on the Add Site button. Give the site template a name, and you can enter a URL path for the template. As you can see, this is the full path right here. You can select the site type. Let's stick with site template for now. But if you are creating a website for customer, you can choose the customer-owned site type. The cool thing about WP Ultimo is that you can copy an already exist template to your new one by simply search for the site title. Let's create a new site template from scratch, because I have some very useful information to show you. As you can see, the network is launch a new subsite for you right now. Okay, just like that, we have a fresh subsite that we can pre-built for our customer. Click Visit Site to check out the front end and click on Dashboard to start Activate Theme and Plugin for our template. Go to the Appearance and activate Astra Theme. Now, you can hover over the Astra Theme tab to click on Dashboard. Go to Starter Site and activate this plugin. This is going to be a place where you can import a lot of good demo design for your network for free. Now, let's choose Elementor as our page builder. In my experience building website for client professionally, Elementor Page Builder has been helping me a lot because it's very easy to use, dynamic to a certain extent, and it is very compatible with a bunch of setups. We can select this demo right here to build our site template. We can scroll up and down to check out the demo. If this is something you would like, you can continue by upload a logo here, change the logo size, or you can skip to continue. You can choose the color schemes, change the font, or click here to continue. Now, all we have to do is click on the Submit and Build My Site button. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation, and when it's done, you can go here to check out the front end of your site template. That's it, you guys. You now create a new template for your web hosting network. Now, any changes you make to the site, when you customer sign up for this template, they will inherit all of the changes. Okay, now let's check out the back end of our site. This is where you can manage all of your network subsite. And as you can see on the left side bar, you will have access to WP Ultimo. WP Ultimo is a premium plugin that turns your WordPress website into the web hosting business. Let's add the template into the theme library on our front end by simply click on the Checkout tab. We already have a checkout form. You can just click on Edit to customize the form. Here you can click on the template selection, set the template availability. You can display all templates that you have, or you can select them by name. Let's go with the Select Template by Name option. Down here, you can just enter the name of your template. All you have to do is just simply click to select the template, and then click on Save the Changes. Make sure to click on the Save Checkout form to update the changes. Now, if you go to the front end to check out the template library, you will see the newly added template. If you want to change the thumbnail of these template, simply go back to your site management and click on the site you want to change. Now, you can go to the site image and upload the thumbnail for your template. You can go to your template and take a screenshot, then upload it here. Now, you can click on Save the Changes, and if you go to the template library, you will see the updated thumbnail for your template. Let's check out some of WP Ultimo settings. we still need to set up the payment gateway in order to get paid. When customers sign up for a website, here are some basic general settings like your company name, logo, company address, etc. You can click on the payment to connect your gateway. We use Stripe as our main payment gateway since the beginning of time, so we highly recommend you to do so because it is very simple to set up. You would need a Stripe account though. Then you can go to the developer tab to get the API public and secret key and enter it here. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not signed up for the network yet, you can do so at SaasTank.io. If you have any question, feel free to contact me at ceo@SaasTank.io.